Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about reviews, do they work, and how to actually make them work. So first of all, reviews are one of the first things that people do in affiliate marketing, especially if you're new. I'm sure you've heard about it. It's the best way to make money online. Although it is the best way to make money online, if you don't do it right, it's not going to work. So what I'm going to talk about in this video is actually how to make it work, because it's really important. It's not as simple as just writing a review like an article or maybe making a video about something. It's way more complicated. If you know how to do it, you're gonna make a lot of money off of it. So before I start, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this every single day, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know that you're here, and also let me know if you want me to make a video about something specific, in future. Just leave a comment. Let me know that you're here and all of that stuff. All right, so let's talk about reviews and why. First of all, why they work really good. So it's really simple. Reviews work because people who are reading them are reading about something they're interested in, a specific product, a specific service, or something like that. So the traffic that comes to it is extremely targeted, and you can do a lot of interesting stuff with it. And these are things that you should do if you want to make money off of a review. So this is how the simplest way to do a review works, right? They just maybe make a video about it, and that's it. That's the only thing people do. Or maybe they write an article about somewhere, and it works to some degree. It might get you some traffic and some sales if you have an affiliate link in there, but there are ways to make it work even better. Okay, so that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. So the first thing you want to do to make your review better is providing extra value. By that, I'm talking about bonuses. So there are websites, and this is something we talk about a lot inside Home Business Bootcamp. I'm going to leave a link in the description, by the way. That's my course. So a lot of websites, what you do is you can actually go and purchase ebooks that cost you about $2, $3, $4. There are just a ton of them, and what you do is you provide that ebook as an extra bonus. Now this is an ebook that you own the rights to, so you can just give it away as many as you want. So there's no copyright issues because you buy the rights to that ebook. So what you do is you provide extra value, and the cool thing is you can actually buy videos too. So you can provide extra video training in case. Okay, so that's the first thing. Let's say this is your review, you provide extra bonus. Now your bonus can be an ebook, and it can be a video. So this is how you provide extra value. Okay, so this is really important, a big deal, because I want you to think like this. You're not going to be the only one who's writing a review, right? There are going to be hundreds of other people writing a review about this and just trying to make an affiliate commission. So you're not going to be the only one. So you have to have you have to give them a reason to just buy it from you. And providing extra value, providing bonus, is the best way to do it. And again, if you don't have to write an amazing ebook or create amazing course to actually give it as an extra value. No, all you got to do is just buy this, and you can actually do this. From some websites, you can just go to these websites and purchase these videos. You own the rights, so you can just give it away for free. It's really cool, and we talk a lot about this inside Home Business Bootcamp. I'm going to leave a link in the description. So that's the first thing, providing extra value. Now, the second thing that a lot of people are not doing, and this is one of the best ways to make sure that people actually convert, is making people to interact with your content multiple times. This is really important, because let me tell you something. No one likes to read, especially if you have an article, especially if you're writing an article. If you don't want to make a video, that's fine, okay? It's okay. I'd always rather to record videos, or if I'm not doing it, I just pay someone else to do it. That's the best way. But if you have content, this is something most people do, and it's okay, there's nothing wrong with it. If you have content, you need to actually make sure people interact with your content. And this is really important, because these days the attention span is really low. It's hard to keep people on a page for more than a couple of minutes. And in order for you to write a review that is actually going to help someone, you need to have at least 1,000 words. Okay, that's really important. And people are not going to spend 10 minutes on your website to read 2,000 words, 1,000 words of your website. Unless you have an amazing copy, which happens really rarely. It doesn't happen that much. So This way, this is how I do it. This is how I make a lot of money off of it. So what I do is, let's say I have 1,000 words. That's my review article, let's say, okay? So what I do is I have a page. Now this page, first page, let's see if you see it. There you go. So page 1, this page is gonna have my headline, okay? And it's gonna have my article. Now what I do is I put 300 words on the first page. That's all I do. I put 300, not more than that, okay? And I make this interesting. Have pictures, you know. You don't want to, you know, have a chunky text on your website. You want to make it interesting. You want to have pictures, maybe videos in there sometimes. And then what I do is I add a button at the bottom of the content, which this is not a long content because it's just 300 words, right? I add a button that says continue reading. So they go to the second page. On the second page, I drop the rest of it. So there's going to be like the headline, and this is continued, and then there's going to be my text, and then maybe again videos, text. Keep it interesting. That's really, really important, okay? Keep it interesting. People are not going to read, people are not going to stay on your website more than a couple of minutes, okay? If you do good. That's like if you do good, okay? And at the end, obviously, you want to have your call to action. So they click on your affiliate link, they buy the product from your affiliate link, or maybe you can have your affiliate link inside the content, like click here, something like that. So this is how I do it. Then you have 2 pages, and there are some points that I actually have 3 or 4 pages too. Again, it depends on the content, depends on the subject, depends on the niche, you know, how focused people are in that niche. So you gotta consider a lot of things when you're creating these pages. So sometimes I have 4 or 5 pages. So again, it depends on the niche. So this is how you should do it. And the reason this works better is because people actually interact with your content. Okay, they read a couple of words, maybe 300 again on the first page. They saw some pictures, they see some pictures, they see some videos if they have videos, and then they click on the link that goes to the next page, and they will continue reading. And this way they actually interact and invest in your content. So they actually engage with it. It works so good, you can't even believe it. So this is how you do it. This is how you do it right. I actually forgot to put page 2 here. Yeah, whatever, it doesn't matter. So yeah, so this is how you should do it. Now the third thing I'm going to talk about, which is like a kind of a cherry on the top, which is really, really cool. Let me actually erase this, is retargeting. Actually, I should have okay, doesn't matter. So retargeting is something that is just amazing. I do it all the time. I talked about it in my previous video. It works so good because you're actually showing your ads to people who have already engaged with your content. So that's why it works really good. So let's say you have your page, right? Your people land on your page, they read your content, they watch your videos on the page, they click the link, you know, like this is the link that goes to the next page maybe, right? They read your content, they engage with it, maybe they stay on your page for 30 seconds. So what you can do is you can actually retarget them on different ad networks and show your ads. Send them maybe to a new page, send them to an opt-in page, maybe send them to the product page directly. It depends on the ad network because it's hard to put affiliate links in ad networks. But so for example, let's say they visit your page, they don't click on it, they don't buy the product, right? What you do is you can show your ads to them on Facebook. So when they're browsing on their Facebook story, they see your sponsored ad. So you see what's happening is that they're going to see your ad, they're going to click on it. Or let's say they go to YouTube to watch some videos, they see your ads on YouTube. So you see your retargeting. Or maybe they go to like some website that's not even related to your content, and then they see your ad on the side because you're retargeting. So this is the power of retargeting, and this is really, really important because these are people who visited your page, okay? They're interested, they're genuinely interested in the product. So you should not let them go, okay? They're interested in the product, you should not let them go. It's not that hard to do the retargeting. I talk a lot about it inside Home Business Bootcamp, by the way. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. So that's one of the best ways to, that's like a cherry on the top, and it works so good. And this way you kind of have a really close circle and you make a ton of money. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this every single day, and also leave a comment and let me know what you want to learn in next videos, or if you have any questions about this video. And also leave a comment and let me know you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a comment and let me know you enjoyed the video and you learned something if you did. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.